Alright folks, let's make another video. In front of a nuke here that overwintered, 5 frame. I didn't have that talk box on there whenever I overwintered it, but here the other day, it was on Friday here. Have I done that? Thursday. Can't tell what day it is again. Got in this one here and they had 2 queen cells, didn't find any evidence of an actual queen, so what I tried to do here, I don't think it was successful looking at the other side here. Tried to use double screenboard again. Of course, bottom's going to have all the flying population go back to it. Top, we had a frame of cat brood, queen cell, some resources. Probably not enough, but we had some up there. Hopefully to make 2 queens there and share the heat from that bottom to top there. So we may have failed on this one, but I think we're going to be all right on that bottom one there. Looks pretty strong. We'll see what we got in that top one. If not, we'll try and do this with that configuration with one queen cells we got over there. That other hive we inspected earlier. And I think it'll turn out pretty good. Hopefully. Let's get it set up here though, and first I'll take you on this other side here. See what I mean. See, there isn't anything coming in and out of there. There are a few bees earlier. I wonder if they might have got robbed out that top. I don't think it's very likely, but they may have. But nothing really coming out of it. Nothing right now. So they may have all absconded on us, or I don't know. They died out. We did have a few cool evenings, cool nights after I done this. But we're pretty well good to go now, I think. Sorry for all my shaky camera work here. I'm doing my own camera work though, so this is what we get. No, we do have bees down here. They're just not flying. Good deal. Good deal. I think after I get done here, I'm not going to show you guys, but I'm going to empty frame there. I'm drawn out, but I'm sure they will eventually. Oh, I see why all the mess. I gave them a nasty frame that had some dead out bees on it. I think that's what they're trying to clean up. And it's what bees can do. This is a nasty frame. They've already started storing pollen and stuff in there. You can still see some of the dead bees there from dead out. But even a little population like this really does a wonderful job of cleaning that up. We don't have a ton of bees in here. But we'll see what they can do. Like I said, I'm gonna get a fondant patty, I think, and put it on top. I have some Hive Life on it that I used last year that worked out pretty good. Not a whole lot of bees in here, but hopefully they can. Hopefully that wasn't a queen cell. We'll see if we have a queen cell or an open queen cell here. Hopefully we do yet. I don't know why it wouldn't have been on there unless they just tore it off. I don't know. That's that frame breed I think I gave him though. There's our queen cell. Let's squish it. Squish it. No, you bet. I got another one there. They've started. Yeah, I got another lady start there. So. Not a lot of bees though. Not a lot of bees at all. What I may do, we'll see how this. Probably won't show you guys here, but I'll see how this other hive is over here. They're booming with bees. I may shake a few frames of bees in here and boost their population a little bit. It's a shame that one queen cell isn't looking too good. But you'll have that. I'm gonna lift this top box here off. Oh, it's heavy. One must be doing awful well. That kind of glued down there. Yeah, we got a pretty good population down here. Hopefully their cell's doing good yet. One note on equipment, I like dating products. These boxes I'm using from plywood, and they're just kind of, yeah. I pried one apart last year, fall. Ooh. Looks like our population down here is doing really good though. Bringing in quite a bit of resources. A few drones. Pretty chill bees. Put that right there. Your beekeeper out there. Tell me what nuke boxes you like to raise nukes in. I want something that holds together a little bit better than this one here. We may have, turn my frame grabber down. Got a lot of cat brood here. I think we just barely lost our queen whenever I was in here Friday, because there was a pretty good population here. Well, 2-frame population. But there was evidence that she'd been in here, so. Nothing else. I think we'll be good in this bottom box here, and we'll just have to keep working on this top one. can't tell for sure. Like I said, my eyes are bad for seeing this, but I think I see the legs down there. So we still have original mama in here, or we may have a queen that's already came back mated from in here. If we do have a mated queen here, I might just take this double screen board out. I think they're gonna boom pretty fast here. This turned into 5/5. Maybe grow this into a 10 framer. That'll maybe produce for us this year. Nope. Let me see here. There's our queen cell. She has not emerged yet. She's still in there. No. Oh, we had two on this one here. We had one that merged. Sure, queen isn't on this front here. I'll bring it over to you guys. That's pretty neat to see, though. We got a queen in here somewhere, though, I believe. New queen. Get this where I can see, too. See, there's queen cell there. See that hole in there? So I had a queen cell that I didn't even realize was in there. I don't believe. See that one there? We've had a new queen emerge there. She came over here. She said, "Sister, I'm the only queen of this hive." She killed that larva. There's no more. There's another cell up at top. Maybe start. Let's see how you guys are looking here. Whopper jaw, of course. Alright. That's pretty awesome. I'd like to see her. I may be messing around here too soon. Roaring in here pretty good. I got more queen cells there. I don't know why we have more queen cells when we got one that looks like a merge. This is just cap. This is dry cap here. Dry cap. I like that. I believe we got a new queen here somewhere. she's anything like Mama was. She'll make a nice hive. But hopefully we got a nice mated queen. If she's not already mated and come back. Not really care for that little blocker. There's a fair amount of bees up top here. Yeah. I think we'll get until Friday. See what we're looking like. See what that queen cells look like. Probably, like I said, get a fondant patty for them, put that in there. As you can see though, a lot of bees going in and out. So that bottom box there is pretty populated. Be exciting to see what we see in there Friday too. Hopefully we see some evidence that we've got a laying queen in there. Be awesome. All else fails, we at least got that queen in. Alright. Dirty box over there. There's 3 there. That's a 8 framer. Putting that same configuration we just went through with that 8 box over there, or 4 box over there. So I won't bore you to watch that, but I'm going to do the same thing with that. I'm going to put a double screen board on it. Hopefully we got plenty of resources of cells and stuff in it too, so I'll probably do a video on it with you, but I won't make you watch what we've already done here. Like I said, if you like what we're doing here, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.